about microwaves, but like, what's he doing? What? What is it? Did it just break?
Yeah,
It's broken?
it's broken.
The microwave?
Yeah, that's Mason's mom opening and closing her microwave.
Her microwave stopped working?
Well, it's falling apart clearly. What do you think she needs to do?
Buy a new microwave.
What kind of microwave should she get?
I don't know.
You don't know? Come on, you're the appliance guy.
Huh?
What's your recommendation?
Hmm.
What kind of microwave do you recommend? You got nothing?
Cannot even think of it.
What kind do you keep telling me to get?
Oh, I'm thinking for a new microwave,
What?
a Maytag.
A Maytag? That is not what you tell me to get. What are you telling me to get?
A Panasonic 4-in-1 microwave, but she needs an over-the-stove one.
Oh, I see. Okay.
That's the one I can really think of.
All right. Sounds good.
Why? What? Her microwave is literally falling apart. What is this? What the heck?